Back in 2017, the PayPal MasterCard was a top catch all credit card offering 2% cashback on all purchases. In 2022, they added 3% cashback on PayPal purchases, but recently, the card has changed. Is it still worth it? Let's break it down. Let's go over the approval process. A good credit score around 670 is typically needed for approval. There is no annual fee, which is a plus. While some users have issues with Synchronicity Bank, random account closures, or credit limit decreases, it's generally a straightforward process to get approved. There is no sign-up bonus now, but historically, there have been bonuses, for example $150 for new cardholders during limited promotions. Previously, there was a 2% cashback on all purchases, with 3% on PayPal purchases, but now it offers 1.5% cashback on all purchases, but the 3% on PayPal purchases remains. This card is best for frequent PayPal users, especially those making online purchases via PayPal at retailers like Nike or using PayPal for person-to-person payment. Rewards can be redeemed directly into a PayPal account, or transferred to a bank account with no minimum redemption amount, making it very flexible. The card has a simple and clean design. It looks similar to the Amazon Prime Visa, which adds some visual appeal. The card is most useful for individuals who make a lot of purchases using PayPal. It's ideal for frequent online shoppers and those sending payments via PayPal. Even though there is no consistent sign-up bonus, periodically check online for limited time offers before applying. There's a 3% foreign transaction fee, so avoid using the card for international purchases. Instead, use cards with no foreign transaction fees for overseas spending. Some users have reported problems with Synchrony Bank randomly closing accounts or reducing credit limits without explanation. While most users won't have an issue, it's important to monitor your account activity and avoid high utilization to prevent credit issues. The 3% cashback only applies to PayPal purchases, not all purchases. Many users assume all transactions get a 3% rate. If you're interested in some alternatives, PNC Cash Unlimited has 2% cashback with a $250 sign-up bonus. CD Double Cash has a 2% cashback and a strong choice for balance transfers. And Wells Fargo Active Cash has 2% cashback plus additional benefits like cell phone protection. For those heavily integrated into the PayPal ecosystem, for example freelancers or online sellers, this card can still be valuable due to the 3% PayPal cashback rate. Overall, the PayPal MasterCard is great for PayPal users, but falls short for anyone else. If you want a better catch-all cashback card, check out alternatives like the CD Double Cash or PNC Cash Unlimited. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.